Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are to discuss about the exercise from NCERT textbook. See here, this exercise number is 2.10, that is state the number of significant figures in the following. Means we have already discussed in our previous videos, that is how we can find the significant figures by using how many rules are there, 5 rules. So using 5 rules we have to decide, or we have to determine the significant numbers or significant figures from given number. So here we have to find significant figures. Okay, so let us solve one by one question. So to solve these questions, these problems, so you should know all the 5 rules. Okay, so just concentrate on that 5 rules and try to solve these problems which are given in the NCERT textbook. So let us try to find significant figures. So our first problem is 0.007 meter square. Okay, so do not concentrate on the SI unit, just concentrate on the given numbers. Okay, so given number is 0.007. So these two zeros, they are present on the left side of the number, so therefore these zeros are never significant figures. So how many significant figures is here? 7. 7 means what? How many digits are there? 1. So therefore its answer is, there is a significant figure is 1. This 0 are present on the left side. So see here on the left side of the number. So on the left side of, if zeros are on the left side of the number, then they they do not count as a significant figures. Try to solve next problem. Next problem is 2.64 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So here also do not concentrate on the powers of 10. So whatever may be the powers of 10, so do not concentrate on that. Just concentrate the given numbers. The given number is here 2.64. So here 2 is 2, 6 and 4. They are non-zero digits. So therefore 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are present in that number. So therefore we can write the significant figure of the given number is 3. Now next 0.2370 gram per centimeter cube. See here, this 0 is on the left side of the number, so it is not counted as a significant figures, but this 0 is the right side of the number, so therefore it is counted as a significant figures. Means how many significant figures are there including this 0? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, only 4 significant figures are there. This 0 is not a significant figure because it is present on the left side of the non-zero digits. So therefore its significant figure is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next problem, that is 6.30320. So it is in joule. So how many significant figures are here? See here, this 0, what is the position of this 0? It is right on the right side. So this is non-zero digit. So after non-zero digits on right side there is a 0, means this 0 is also significant figures. So how many non-zero digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to consider this 0 also significant figures because it is present on the right side of the number. So if 0 is on the right side of the number, then it is also significant. So how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the significant figures here. Then next, problem number 5. Problem number 5 is 6.032. 6.032 Newton per meter square. See here, how many significant figures are present in this given number? 6.032. So non-zero digits are already 3, that is 6, 3 and 2, but this 0 is present. What is the position of that 0? So this 0 is present in between two non-zero digits. Means what? This 0 is present in between 6 and 3. Therefore this 0 is also significant figures. Okay, so including this 0, how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So just you have to write here the answer of this significant figures, that is 4 is the significant figures. So here confusing factor is just the position of 0, means when the zeros on the left side, when the zeros on the right side, or when the zeros are in between two non-zero digits. So you should remember, when zeros are on the left side of the number, then it is not considered as a significant figures. But if the zeros are on the right side of the number, then it is considered as a significant figures. And if the zeros which are present in between two non-zero digits, then it is considered as a considered as a significant figures. Okay, so do not confuse here on the positions of zeros. Just it may be on left or it may be on right or in between two non-zero digits. And last, our last problem is 0.000 0.0006032. It is in meter square. Here the given number is 0.0006032. Means here zeros, the position of zeros, these all zeros are present on the left side. So this is the left side, though they do not considered as a significant figures. But this 0 is after 6. It is in between 6 and in between 3. So this 0 is present in between 6 and 3. Therefore it is considered as significant figure, because this 0 present in between two non-zero digits 6 and 3. So therefore it is significant figures. So how many significant figures are here? 6032 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer of this problem is 4. See, the most important article of this chapter is significant figures and order of magnitude. Just you have to remember the rules, and if you know the rules, then you can easily determine the order of magnitude or significant figures from the given numbers. Okay, so this is about the exercise from NCERT textbook, that is question number 2.10. Now see, we have to solve again HC Verma textbook. So from SC Verma textbook, there are number of critical problems which we have to solve. तर उद्या जे काही आपण प्रॉब्लेम्स घेणार आहोत, आज तर आपण NCERT टेक्स्टबुक मधले जे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत सिग्निफिकंट फिगर्स, जे आपण कालच्या व्हिडिओजमध्ये बघितले आहे, तर त्या प्रॉब्लेम्सवर डिपेंड आपण त्या आर्टिकलवर डिपेंड असलेले प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण इथे डिस्कस केलेले आहेत, जे NCERT मधून आहेत ते. पण एस सी वर्मामध्ये काही असे क्रिटिकल आणखीन प्रॉब्लेम्स आपल्याला घ्यायचे आहेत, जेणेकरून आपले सर्व या चॅप्टरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स सॉल्व्ह होईल आणि आपला कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल वाढेल. ठीक आहे, तर उद्याच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण एस सी वर्मा या टेक्स्टबुकमधील जे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, ते सॉल्व्ह करू. ओके, थँक्स.